Shoulder and neck massage techniques. Step 1. Apply massage oil. Step 2. Press Fengchi and Fengfu acupoints. Step 3. Push along the dew meridian with palms. Step 4. Push along the bladder meridian with fingers. Step 5. Push along the bladder meridian with fists. Step 6. Push along the interior and exterior bladder meridian and paraspinal muscles with folded fingers. Step 7. Push the supraspinatus muscle with folded fingers. Step 8. Push the infraspinatus muscle with fists. Step 9. Push the supraspinatus and infraspinatus muscles with fists. Step 10. Push the rhomboid muscles with fingers. Step 11. Push the subscapularis muscle counterclockwise with palms. Step 12. Push the trapezius muscles with palms.